Are you losing muscle after 60? It's a common challenge, but here's the thing. You don't have to just accept it. You can fight back and regain your strength no matter your age. Stick around because I'm going to show you 2 simple yet powerful exercises that will help you reclaim your strength and feel stronger every day. Setting up the problem. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines. But did you know that after the age of 30, we start losing up to 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every decade? And after 60, this decline accelerates even more. Muscle loss doesn't just affect strength. It impacts your balance, posture, and overall well-being, making everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even getting up from a chair more difficult. But the great news? You don't have to just accept this. It's not too late to fight back and rebuild what you've lost. Understanding the science. Why it happens. Let's break down the science behind muscle loss. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers. This happens because of lower levels of growth hormones, reduced physical activity, and sometimes poor nutrition. This means our muscles don't regenerate as they used to. While some muscle loss is inevitable, certain factors like lack of exercise or poor diet can speed up the process. But here's the encouraging part. By adopting the right exercises, you can slow down and even reverse some of this muscle decline. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Exercise number 1, the chair squat. Let's start with a fantastic exercise that targets your legs and glutes, the chair squat. It's simple, requires no special equipment, and is one of the most effective exercises you can do to rebuild your lower body strength. Plus, it's ideal for people of all fitness levels. To do a chair squat, stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Now, slowly lower your body as if you're sitting down, but stop just before you hit the chair. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and don't let them extend over your toes. Squeeze your glutes and push yourself back up to standing. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps. The key here is controlled movements. Don't rush through it. Why this works? So why does the chair squat work so well? Chair squats activate your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, muscles that help you rise from a chair, climb stairs, and stay stable on your feet. These are crucial for maintaining independence as you age. By strengthening these muscles, you're not just improving your strength, you're also reducing the risk of falls and enhancing your balance and mobility. It's all about preserving your ability to live independently and safely. Exercise number 2, wall push-ups. Next up, let's talk about wall push-ups. Push-ups are a great upper body strength builder, but floor push-ups can be too intense for some. Wall push-ups are a fantastic modification. They're easy on the joints while still giving you a solid workout for your chest, shoulders, and arms. Here's how to do it. Stand about 3 feet away from a wall. Place your hands on the wall, shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower your chest toward the wall by bending your elbows, then push yourself back to the starting position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels throughout the movement. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. You can adjust the distance from the wall to make it easier or harder depending on your fitness level. Why this works? Wall push-ups are excellent for strengthening your upper body, especially the chest, shoulders, and triceps. These muscles are essential for daily tasks like lifting groceries, pushing a shopping cart, or even pushing yourself up from the ground if you fall. By maintaining or improving your upper body strength, you're preserving your ability to stay active and independent as you get older. Practical tips for incorporating these exercises. Now, I know what you might be thinking. These exercises sound great, but how do I fit them into my busy schedule? The answer is simple: consistency. Start by doing these exercises 3 to 4 times a week. You don't need a gym or a lot of time. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a world of difference in improving your strength. And remember, you don't need to go all out right away. Start slow and gradually increase the number of reps as you build strength. And most importantly, listen to your body. If you experience discomfort, adjust your form or talk to your doctor. Common mistakes to avoid. Like with any exercise, it's important to watch for common mistakes. For the chair squat, make sure your knees are not caving in or extending past your toes. And for wall push-ups, keep your body in a straight line. Avoid letting your hips sag or your shoulders creep up. Poor form can lead to injuries and prevent you from getting the full benefits of the exercise. Motivation and encouragement. Remember, it's never too late to start. In fact, the sooner you begin, the more benefits you'll see. Strength isn't just about lifting weights, it's about being able to live your life the way you want. Whether that means traveling, gardening, or just playing with your grandkids without pain, strength is your foundation. So take action today and invest in your future self. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful and that you feel inspired to start incorporating these exercises into your routine. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is progress toward becoming stronger, healthier, and more independent. So if you found this video useful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. That helps others find this video too, and it means a lot to us. And if you know someone else who could benefit from these tips, maybe a friend, family member, or even a neighbor, share this video with them. Everyone deserves to feel strong and confident at any age, and together, we can all support each other on our journeys. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Your strength is in your hands, so keep going, stay consistent, and remember, it's never too late to start. You're not alone on this journey, and I'll be right here with you every step of the way. See you in the next video.